Welcome back. Now we're talking about what I want to do, so we can probably I want more horsepower thing to do.
Maybe speak up a little bit louder.
Okay. Alright. I want this thing to have enough horsepower to do a wheelie and do like I run over trees with it.
Maybe do you want some bigger tires or
Yeah, I probably want some more big tires.
media tires? We're gonna get new plastics for the front,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Maybe we could paint the frame over the winter time, maybe. I think that'd be a good idea.
Anyways, this is the engine right over here.
Yep, 150 cc's. Yep.
80 cc's, and this thing is a race four-wheel.
Racer. So, did you have fun riding it today, Machias?
Yeah,
And would you recommend Redcat 150 to your friends?
probably.
Yep. What do you give it a scale out of 1 to 10? 10 being the best, 1 being the worst. What do you give it a rating of?
10.
10. That's a good rating. Okay, so goodbye to your friends.
Bye.
Thank you for coming to Machias' Great Outdoors channel.